National Park Service, nature's guardian since 1916 on August 25. The National Park Service was established in 1916 to preserve America's natural and cultural treasures. Currently, the NPS manages over 400 parks, showcasing diverse ecosystems across the country. These parks protect unique habitats, including forests, deserts, wetlands, and coastlines. The NPS plays a critical role in boosting tourism, contributing billions to the economy annually. Through conservation efforts, the NPS ensures future generations can enjoy these natural wonders. Join us in celebrating the National Park Service and its vital mission.